Lesson 34. A review of our previous lesson. Okay. Please observe the curve between the R, L, K, G. Okay, please look at. This is for letter R. Okay, look at the angle. For letter L, the angle for letter L. And then, for letter K, the angle of letter K. Then, for letter G, this is the angle. So, means, R is opposite of letter K. L is opposite of G or G. Let's proceed to a recall chart. Okay. We will start from words. Devote, combination of D and V, devote, O-T. Devoted. Divides. Divisions. Definite. Indifferently. Initiate, initiative. Contemplate. Contain. Other. Another. Demand. Demanded. Attend. Attendance. Obtain, obtainable. Complement, complementary. Owns, ounces. Desired, perspired. Yards, years. Review, reviewed. Director, direction. Spoiled, broiled. Credentials, prudentials. Youths, juice. Women, salesmen. Efficient, efficiency. Purchase, purchased. Grade, graded. Book, booklet. Because, between. Sweet, swim. 3, thorough. Then, theme. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. January, February, August, September, October, November. Next, we will proceed to brief forms. Present, part, advertise, miss, immediate, opportunity. Advantage, suggest, several, out, ever, every, very. Time, acknowledge, question, organize, over, general. Phrases: to me, to make, to know, dear Mr., dear Mrs., dear Miss. To say, I have been able, you have not been, 8%, $6, 400,000.